Hello, everybody. My name is Hayes 1021, and I'm coming at you with a Thanksgiving game. One that you may find weird and awkward. I think that we've eaten turkey so long for Thanksgiving. Most of us have. Most of us maybe haven't. But I think we should have the turkey at least have a moment of peace. On a vacation, maybe. I think we should have the chicken be the Thanksgiving bird for at least a year. So today, for the celebration of Thanksgiving, we will have the chicken be the Thanksgiving bird. This is Chooks version 3.1. Let's get right into it. Adventure classic. Let's go with adventure. I love challenge and stratagem. Let's get started. Chook HQ has sent me to help you make a super happy farm. Ready to go over some of the basics? Use WASD or drag or click and drag to move the camera. Use Q and E to click to rotate the camera. You can also use your scroll wheel or tap with two fingers and drag to zoom in and out. Let's start with naming your farm. Let's get a small coop first. We're going to put it right there, I guess. Okay. Let's buy a small feeder. We're going to put it. We're going to rotate it like that. We're going to grab the small drinker. Put the small. I would honestly want my liquid to be right next door. Okay. The incubator, which can also be found. So let's put that right next door. Let's get a normal egg. Let's get a couple eggs. Let's see what we get. Congratulations, you hatched your first chook. Chooks have needs. If their needs are not met, happiness will decrease. Oh no, -1. Happiness is shown in the bar on the top right corner. The higher your happiness, the faster your chooks will lay eggs. Be careful if your chooks get too unhappy. They may leave your farm. Oh no. The more egg quality, the more equality you have, the more your eggs are worth. Egg quality is super important and can be obtained by hatching rare / golden chooks or special buildings. What? I'm good, Tip Book. Your happiness again. Be careful. Once your happiness drops below -10, your chickens will start leaving. Take this $500 and buy them something fun. Okie dokie. I can't name my chook farm. Can I? How do I? I can't. I don't know. Let's figure this out here. Oh. Interesting. Let's increase the music. Save my game. Let's just take a look. I think it's... Can he access the feeder? Let's upgrade the feeder. Let's get an egg in there. Yeah. Ooh, we got a red egg, it looks like. Oh. It's nighttime. Although my chicken is happy. What the heck? Was that a ghost? Let's We're in some trouble, guys. I've forgotten how to access the shop. Oh, here we go. I've accessed the shop. Fun items. Small perch. Let's put that right over here. What's this? We have Jill Batten. Let's name him. His name is Bob the Wiener. Because he wieners. He weens a lot. Bob the Wiener. He's a botan. He's a botan chook. Bob the Wiener, what are you doing? We have another one. We have a new friend. Peepa. We're going to name this one. Ooh, I love my chickens, man. Peaceful Joe. We have Peaceful Joe, Bob the Wiener. But Bob the Wiener, he's sitting on the fence. Do I need to turn the feeder around? Maybe I should like get it away from the fence. They're too close to the fence. There you go, guy. Oh, it's the other way around. Oh. I guess that's it. Oh, there we go. Okay, well, I'll just do that. Let's add another chicken to the mix. Oh, yeah. Let's add some land items. Yeah, let's add in a tree. Yeah, tree. Tree. No, let's put it right in the corner. There we go. Small egg, yes. Small egg, indeed. Oh, we got some money. Oh, let's get some money from that one. Let's take a look. If I don't have enough money to do a farm upgrade yet. I hope to get at least 4 chickens this episode. Yeah, 4 chickens. Other items. Chicken bath. So the happiness is like in the middle. There's another perch. We have Buck Buck, or Irene Buck Buck. Food is water. It's unlike real chickens. Real chicken. Real Colonel chicken. Real Colonel. Yeah, Real Colonel. That's what its name is. Choose a new home for Real Colonel. What? Do I have to buy? Oh, I have to buy another coop. Let's buy another coop, I guess. It's expensive, but I got nowhere else to go. I just my chickens. Let's try guys. Second, ignore that noise. That was a ghost. Uh-oh. What's this? Coops protect chickens from bad weather, heat, cold wind, and rain, and will secure them from predators. We have monsters. It's the Colonel, Bob the Wiener, real Colonel, and, of course, Peaceful Joe. They're not happy. They need more fun items. What do I do? Build 2 small coops. I got a chicken. The wagon wheel. Let's take a look. Wagon wheel. Oh, yeah, the wagon wheel. I'm gonna have so many freaking perches, it's ridiculous. We're gonna have to upgrade these perches to level 2s. I'm gonna have to upgrade this to carry more food. More food. More chickens means more food. More chickens means more food. Must support Thanksgiving with chickens. We got some money from that. 40 seconds till we get our next chicken. And then I'll probably end it here, and we'll check on it again next time. It's 20 degrees. Five, 4, 0. Let's check on our chicken. Yes, I've been doing upgrading. Ooh, Audrey. Psh, we're not gonna have an Audrey. Pacific Ocean. Even with the misspelling, it stays. Alright guys, it's been fun, but everything has been going great for the farm. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Hades, signing out. Have a good day.